Hello my beautiful sisters in the house, how are you guys doing? So for this gele, it will be owambe simple round gele. So I'll be using three line of gele. So this is what I'm talking about. The gele that I'm using will be three line, and it will be by 100 by length. So now, so the ratio for this gele will be 70-30, or you can make it 80-10. No, sorry, 80-20. It depends on how your gele is. You know, some owambe gele are very small, while some are very long. So just look at what I'm doing. I've already folded the gele. If you want to fold your gele just an inch, and look at the way I'm creating my pleat. Don't make your pleat to be too close, and don't make it to be too far away. So look at what I'm saying. Let me shift the camera for. So this is what I'm saying. So after doing that, I'll be extending the hand of the gele. You will tell your model or your client to assist you to hold the other part, that is the other side of the gele, to help you to hold it, so that you will extend the pleat that you created at the front there. So after that, you collect the other part now and extend it also now. That is what I'm doing. So look at the way I'm extending it. So this gele is very simple, but if you are tying your gele, you just have to take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Look at the way I'm still extending it to the back, like so. Like so. So I'll be showing you the back now. So because of the ratio of this gele and the way we want to tie it, because it's owambe, the 70 parts will be under. Just look at the way I'm doing it, guys. So look at what I'm doing there. The pleat that I created at the front, I'm extending it to the back also, so that when me bringing it on top of the pleat that I've already created before, it will come out very nice. So just look at what I'm doing now. So yes, 30 on top, while 70 under. So this is what I'm saying. This is the hand I will be bringing back to the front again to create another pleat. So now I want to adjust the pleat now. Make sure you adjust your pleat the way you want before you continue with the other hand now. So this is what I'm saying. Our pleat is well laid now, so we'll continue with the other parts now. So my beautiful sisters, after doing that, we'll be going back now with our 70 parts of the gele now. So look at what I'm doing. So that pleat that I created, that I extend to the back, now I'll be bringing it back to the front. Just look at what I'm saying now. You see, it's very, very easy. So you see, your pleats have already come out very, very nice. So try and be doing that process. If you are doing this kind of owambe gele, even apart from this kind of round gele, you can be using this method for any of your gele, for your gele to come out very nice. Just look at the way the plait is now. If you want your plait to come out very, very good, follow this process, and I'm very sure the outcome of your gele will be more better than before the previous. So that is what I'm doing. I'm extending it to the back now. So because it's owambe gele and it's not very long, just look at what I will do here. This the reason why I picked this gele is that the gele is not too long. This is the normal length of owambe gele. So in case of you come across any gele like this, it will be much easier for you to handle. So just look at what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. I'm making this voice notes at night because my baby, I know some of you will know that I just delivered baby, so I just give birth. So that is, I'm sorry if you are hearing my baby voice. Sorry about that. So I come back now. I'll be using office pin to hold that side down now. I'll be using office pin to secure that area now, so that it will not unravel if I want to tie it at that back. So look at it, guys. So this is what I'm saying. So after that, just look at what I'm doing. My boy. Sorry. I'm sorry about that, sisters. So now look at the way I'm bringing the hand. Sorry now, my baby. Sorry. So look at what I'm doing. I'm not tying it. I'm just using the other hand, that is the 30 parts of the gele now, to just roll it with that other hand now. Sorry. After rolling it like that, I'll just use office pin to secure it, and that does not mean that my gele will not stay throughout the whole day. So just look at the next process now. Just make sure you use your office pin to secure all that back very well, so that the gele will not remove. So now I'm still using office pin to hold it. So here is the front now. So I'll be adjusting it now. I'm taking it to the back. So I'll continue creating pleats now. So I can create like 4 plates, or you can create like 3 plates before doing the next process that I'll be showing you. Just make sure your plates are well laid. So I'm so sorry that my hand is covering you, but I'm very sure on this side you will know what I'm doing. I'm just creating plates there. So that is it about the plate. Let me still create like 1 more. So now look at the way I'm showing you my finger. So I want to adjust that one outside like that. So look at what I'm doing now. This process is very fast and simple to achieve. Just look at the way your plate has come out. Just try and do that process that I just showed you now. So that plate that I created at that front, I will now be extending it to the both side like so. Just look at what I'm doing, extending it to the both side. So that is what I'm doing now. Just look at the way it has come out now. Upon that, the gele is just a line. Our gele is still a little bit high. If you follow this process I'm doing, your gele will still be a little bit high. Just imagine it, you using it 4 line of gele or 5 line. to do this process. Just imagine it, how your gele will be very, very high. So that is just it about this owambe gele. Just follow this trick that I do, and I'm very sure that your next gele that you will tie will be much better. So please try and tie your own gele and send it to me, and if you have any question, let me know, please let me know. So I'm trying to adjust it there. And one thing about this gele, everything cannot be perfect, so I won't lie to you. Even me that I do tie, sometimes I do made a mistake, so just make sure it's not that obvious, you understand. So now I'm still extending the hand. Just look at the way I'm sweating. So that is it about the gele. If you notice that this side, yes, this side is much better than the other side. The reason why that place look like that is that the gele that I use is not long, and maybe if you want to tie yours, just make it 80-20, so that the 80 part will still be long more than the other hand. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So let me know if you have any question, and I will be here to answer you. All right.